Home Depot, see if they have them.
Yeah.
Somebody's got to have red and white bulbs, right? You think?
Well, you were all told to pick them off the shelf and stop selling them back in office.
They want to change 6 bulbs for one, you know? We'll see. We go down one, I put LED there, that looks that, right? Yeah, 5 bulbs for you. Those are you.
TroposAir Captiva.
Printed copy here, and you'll be all set. Just sign that one.
The grocery store sell bulbs too?
Well, I have some bulbs, but they're the LEDs.
Yeah, Robert's.
Here's medium.
Oh, the grocery store's kind of.
Boy, I don't know because
It's already blowing that tiara.
Everybody,
then about 60 days later, they say, well, no, you can continue to sell the incandescent. So some of them may still have them. We got rid of all of ours.
Oh, I found incandescent bulbs with the Lowe's. They're like.
And here's full power.
140 watt.
Yeah, you might try Lowe's or
I'll try Home Depot first. Change 6 bulbs out.
check out for you.
Yeah, let's get a little oil. Yeah, look at that. They might go
Very powerful fan. I love this. It's a good
Enjoy the rest of
performer.
your day. Thank you.
Thank you.